Good morning children, welcome to our class. Today we are going to learn about the problems on the division. Problems on the division. Divide and check your answers. Here what is the division rule? Q for quotient. Quotient into divisor plus R for remainder is equal to dividend. Q for quotient. Quotient into divisor plus R for remainder is equal to dividend. So in that first one, in that first problem, 27,083 divided by 19. 27,083 divided by 19. It is division by a 5-digit number by a 2-digit number. 5-digit number by a 2-digit number. So first we have to do the division. 27,083. Here first we have to take 2 as dividend. This 2 is smaller than divisor. But dividend is when we have to do the division, always dividend is greater than the divisor. So if we take 2 as the divisor, it will not possible. So next we have to take 27. Now this 27 is the more than 19. We can do now. 19 table 27. 19 ones are 19. 19 twos are 38. This 38 is more than 27, Mama. So 19 twos are 38. So before what will be? 19 ones are 19. So we have to take 19 ones are 19. Now we have to do the subtraction. From here to here it is borrow. It is 17. Here it is 1. 17 minus 9, how much it is? 17 minus 9, 8. 1 minus 1, 0. Next take this 0 here, 80. Now 19 table 80 will become or not? If it will be not there, we have to check where the more than 80 number we will get first. 19 ones are 19, 19 twos are 38, 19 threes are 57, 19 fours are 76, 19 fives are 95. 95, 19 fives are 95, 19 fours are 76. 19 fives are 95 is more than 80. So we have to take 19 fours are 76. Here we have to take 76. Minus here 10, here 7. 10 minus 6 4, 7 minus 7 0. Next take 8. 48. Same again. 19 table. 19 ones are 19. 19 twos are 38. 19 threes are 57. 19 threes are 57 is more than 48. Yes, 57 is more than 48. We can't take more than 48 here. We have to take less than 48. 19 threes are 57 is more than 48. 19 twos are 38 is less than 48. So we have to take 19 twos are 38. 8 minus 8 0, 4 minus 3 1. Next take 3. Now it is 103. 103. Now 103. 19 ones are 19, 19 twos are 38, 19 threes are 57, 19 fours are 76, 19 fives are 95, 19 sixes are 114. 19 sixes are 114. 19 fives are 95. But 114 is more than 103. So we have to take 19 fives are 95. 19 fives are 95. While we have to first take from here to here. It is 0. Here it is 10. Again from here to here. So it is 9. It is 10 plus 3 13. 13 minus 5 8. 9 minus 9 0. Here 0. So we get 8. So here there is no other numbers. So it will complete. Now 8 here it is R for remainder. It is quotient. It is quotient. Next, it is divisor. It is divisor. Now we have to check. Now we have to do the check. Same. Quotient into divisor. What is the quotient? 1425 into divisor 19 plus remainder 8. 19 5s are 95. 19 2s are 38. 38 plus 9 47. Here 4. Here 7. 19 4s are 76 plus 4 80. 19 ones are 19 plus 8 27 plus 8. 27,075 plus 8 27,083. So it is dividend. It is dividend. So how much we get quotient? Quotient 1425. Remainder is equal to 8. So the next one is 24,174 divided by 28. So we have to do the division with 28. 24,174. If you check 28 sevens, 28 sevens, how much? 7 8s are 56. 7 2s are 14 plus 5, 90. 196. Again 28 8s also check mark. 28 8s. 8 8s are 64. 8 2s are 16 plus 6, 22. 224. 28 9s. 9 8s are 72. 9 2s are 18 plus 7, 25. 252. If you observe here, 28 7s are 196. 196 is less than this one. 28 8s are 224. It is also less than 241. So 28 9s are 252. It is more than 241. So which one we have to take? Yes, we have to take 28 8s are. 28 8s are 224. Now do the subtraction. Take the borrow. Here it is 11. Here it is 3. 11 minus 4 7. 3 minus 1. Here 0. Again here 7. 177. 28 7s we check. Now check 28 6. 6 8s are 48. 6 2s are 12 plus 4 16. 168. 28 6s are 168. But 28 7s are 196. So 196 is more than this. So we have to take 28 6s are 168. 17. Here 6. 17 minus 8 9. 6 minus 6 0. 1 minus 1 0. Again here 4. 94. 28 table. 28 2s are 56. 28 3s are how much? 3 8s are 24. 3 2s are 6 plus 2 8. 28 4s are 4 8s are 32. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3 11. 112 we are getting. So 28 3s are 84. 4 minus 4 0. 9 minus 8 1. It is remainder. It is quotient. It is divisor. If you don't know big number tables, side you have to do the multiplication like this and you have to check and write. Now check for this. What is the check here? Quotient into divisor. What is the quotient? 863 into divisor 28 plus remainder 10. 28 3s are 84. 28 6s are 168. 168 plus 8 176. Here 17 right. 28 8s are 224. 224 plus 17. How much? 224 plus 17. 241 plus 10. So 24,174. It is dividend. It is dividend. So in this quotient is equal to 863 remainder 10. Next one is 26,080 divided by 33. 26,080 divided by 33. So we have to do division with 33. 26,080. Okay, so first 33 ones 33, 32, 33 twos 66, 33 threes 99, you know. So 33 fours 132, 33 fives 165, 33 sixes 198, 33 sevens 231, 33 eights 264, 33 nines 297, 33 tens 330. You write table, big numbers seven times, simply write table side. 33. 33, how much it is possible? Here 2 not, we can't take. So we have to take at a time 3 digits. Why? If you take 2, it is less than 33. If you take 26, it is also less than 33. So we have to take 260. This 260 is more than 33. So more than 33, 260, where it will be here? 264. But this one we can't take. Why? This 264 is more than 260. So that before what is the 33 sevens? So we have to take 33 sevens, 231. Here 10, here 5. 10 minus 8, 1, 9. 5 minus 3, 2. Here 0. Again take 8, 298. Now more than 298, where it will be? 330. But more number we have to not take. Before, what is here? 33 nines, 297. 8 minus 7, 1, 0, 0. Next here it is 10. So 10 not there. So 33 zeros, 0, 0, 1. Now it is remainder, it is quotient, it is divisor. Now we have to do the check. How? Quotient into divisor. Here quotient 790 into divisor 33 plus 10. 33 0 0. 33 nines are 297. So 29 here 7. 33 sevens are 231. 231 plus 29 260 plus 10. 26,000. 17 plus 10 26,080. So it is dividend. It is dividend. So quotient is equal to 790. Remainder 10. 57,755 divided by 55. 57,755 divided by 55. Now do division with 55. 755. So here first number 5. This 5 is less than 55. So we have to take 57. 57 is greater than 55. So we can do 50 over 5 ones 55. Minus 7 minus 5 2. Here 0. Here 7. 27. 55 table 27 will not come. So 55 zeros 0. 7 2. Now take this 5. 275. 55 table 275 will come. 5 table check ma. 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25 plus 2 27. 275. So 55 5s 275. So 275 it is zeros all. Next 5. 55 table 5 will come, no. 5 55 zeros 0. 5 minus 0 5. So it is the remainder. It is quotient. divisor. It is divisor. Now we have to do the check for this. Quotient into divisor. 1050 into 55 plus remainder 5. 55 0 0. 55 5s are 275. So here 27. Here 5. 55 0 0. 0 plus 27 27. So 2 here, 7 here. 55 ones are 55. 55 plus 2 57. 57,750 plus 5. So 57,755. It is dividend. We get dividend. So quotient is equal to 1050. Remainder is equal to 5.